Life insurance is a contract between life insurance company and a policy holder. Life insurance is a type of insurance policy that provides tax-free lump sum payment to the policy holder once the policy holder dies or after set period. Because of the financial benefit it offers, life insurance has become one of the most popular forms of coverage among the consumers. Life insurance plays an important role in providing families with a certain level of financial security after the death of loved man. With the right policy, this type of coverage can help families pay off loans and debts and meet daily living expenses. The financial benefits, however, is just one of the many types of life insurance. Like other forms of coverage, it can also be a complex investment with the potential to the several advantage depending on how it is managed. Types of life insurance. Many different types of life insurance are available to meet all sorts of needs and preferences. Depending on short or long term needs of the person to be insured, the major choice of whether to select temporary or a permanent life insurance is important to consider. All life insurance can give you financial confidence that your family will have financial stability in your absence. But generally, the more life insurance you have, the more benefits it will provide you and your family when needed. For example, some people receive a nominal amount of life insurance, but with a large coverage amount, your family can realize far more benefits such as. In shortly, there are many benefits of life insurance: income replacement for years of lost salary, paying off your home expenses, paying off your debit cards, car loans, credit cards, and student loans, providing fund to your family, providing fund to your kids for college education, helping with others obligations such as